Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Shangri-La Tactical Range Bag. With this lumber pack, you'll be able to carry all your EDC items, including pistol, ammo, gloves, and whatever else. And with the built-in Moye straps, attaching gear will be a breeze. Plus, with a slew of pockets, you can pack everything you'll need for a good day of getting shots in at the range. This Fanny bag constructed of high-density 1000D nylon, stronger, lightweight and durable. With 3 divisions and elastic loops inside, 2 side pocket, 1 front pocket, 1 top pocket with elastic string and Velcro, as well as elastic loops and pouches inside. Multiple compartments and pockets offer spacious space to meet your various needs and classification of items. 3 ways to use it: with the handle, the concealable waistband, and the removable padded shoulder strap. It can be used as tote tool bag, waist bag, shoulder sling bag. On the front panel, the side pockets and the back waist belt of the bag, there are a large number of Moye webbings distributed for organizing your gear. As a compact utility military range bag and go bag, it can hold your shooting gears, firearms, pistols, magazines, ammo, EDC stuffs and so on perfectly. Or a tool bag, putting it in the car or garage, or traveling with it on weekends for hiking or hunting expedition. It can hold your gloves, clamps, ropes, first aid kit, etc. Number 2 in this best fanny pack for hunting list is Carhartt Adjustable Waist Pack. The Carhartt men's and women's waist pack with adjustable strap keeps essentials close at hand when out on the trail, sightseeing in the city, visiting an amusement park, or attending a festival or concert. Contents are protected when rainy weather arrives thanks to the heavy-duty poly and rain defender strong water repellent. A sizable main compartment with a zipper contains a phone, wallet, and some food. It also has an internal mesh pocket with a zipper for credit cards, identification, and cash. The front zippered section, which features a key fob attachment, is great for storing small items. Other requirements can be fastened to the 2 outside gear loops. The Carhartt men's and women's waist pack is a sling bag that may be worn over the shoulder as a sling bag, over the chest as a crossbody bag, or around the waist. It has a long adjustable webbing belt with a side release buckle. Fanny pack has YKK zippers, a Carhartt logo patch, and is 11.5 by 6 by 4.5 inches and weighs 0.7 pounds. For the duration of the typical product life, Carhartt work bags, packs and gear are covered by a limited warranty against manufacturing flaws in materials and workmanship. Our third choice is Timberhawk Gut Hook Waist Pack. The Timberhawk Gut Hook might become your new best friend if you're looking for a fanny pack to carry your bow while you hunt without using your hands. This little, over-the-shoulder pack has a clever compartment for carrying your compound bow. And you might just replace that large old pack of yours with one that has a ton of pockets and expandability. Innovative shoulder-supported waist pack for light and fast travel when hunting, hands-free transport for a compound bow. Yoke shoulder harness system, adjustable sternum strap with emergency whistle. Roomy main compartment with 3 interior accessory pockets, 3 waist pockets. High-density breathable foam padded waist belt, right side webbing for securing bear spray, quiver, or sidearm. Ideal for hunters heading out to deer stands as well as elk and turkey hunters. The ultra-comfortable Gut Hook waist pack has a yoke shoulder harness system that holds the waist-supported bag in place for minimal movement. It's a great choice for hunters who need to move light and fast with just the essentials. Fourth pick in this best fanny pack for hunting list is Arc-en-Ciel Tactical Fanny Pack. The typical pouch style of this Arc-en-Ciel bag is reminiscent of the Northern Mountain Gear hip pack. It will provide you with all the organizational capabilities required for quickly locating equipment on a fishing trip, early season deer hunt, or late season deer hunt. Your hunting buddies won't ever mistake your fanny for theirs thanks to the ability to personalize this lumber pack with Velcro patches. This is crucial because Uncle Leroy occasionally has sticky fingers. Constructed by high-density 1000D nylon, scratch-resistant wear, prevent splashing water. Wipe off the water immediately after the encounter, it does not penetrate to the inside of the package. Personality patch area, according to preferences, with personalized tactical patch to make the backpack more personality. Durable adjustable straps, quick release ABS buckle, easy to use, easy to put it in your backpack, luggage bag or suitcase when you travel. Large main compartment is big enough for carrying your iPad mini, cell phone, MP3, glasses, tactical flashlight, compass, kettle, cigarette, snacks, umbrella, etc. The zippered back pocket is hidden for extra protection about your passport, ID card, credit card, wallet and essential stuffs. 3 front pockets can be used to save your gadgets, small parts. Our fifth and last choice is North Mountain Gear Camouflage Fanny Pack. If you're looking for more of a pouch, something a bit smaller than the prospector listed above but refuse to carry a purse, look no further than North Mountain Gear's Hunting Fanny Pack. This compact and lightweight hip pack will deliver the goods safely from your belly to the tree stand. This bag is constructed of 100% durable polyester camouflage fabric and has a fully padded back panel that allows air to pass between you and the pack, keeping you cool and dry. Ideal for sports, running, walking, jogging, motorcycle, bike, riding, cycling, travel, outdoor, hiking, hunting, tactical, fishing, camping, all kinds of outdoor activities and daily use.